The first things first is be sure you're ready Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. It's Bex here. So today's video I'm going to give you 12 tips on becoming nail tech. These are things I wish I knew as I got started, the things that I feel like are important for you to start your nail tech journey. Are you ready to be a nail pro? Get a pen and a pad and keep watching. Number one, be sure you're ready to start the journey. And I'm not saying this as in you have to be sure, but just write down pros and cons of why you're starting this, because it's not easy, and you getting started means you are trusting yourself and you're trusting your work rate to do the best that you can be. You could be in a completely different place months from the moment you make that decision to start your journey. You just have to put 110% into it and you will get there. Second thing, have a strong foundation. This means your branding, trademarking, and knowing your audience, having a business plan. All of this play a part in you actually going out there and start doing other people's nails and offering it as a business. I'll say trademarking is a highlight on this point, just because you don't want to work for years and then someone comes and trademarks your name, the one you came up with, or they've trademarked it before you did and you just didn't know, and you're basically trading under their name. You could get in a lot of trouble for that. It's a matter of protecting your brand and your business from the start. Number three, schedule. Having a nice schedule will save you a lot of time. It will give you a clear indicator of what you need to do and what you need to focus on. So I'd highly advise trying your best to stick to a schedule. This means when you know when to practice, when you know when you're researching certain things. I work 9 to 5 and I also do things to do with SZNBEAUTY right now, and that's all because of coming up with a schedule. It's really gave me a clear overview and I've been less stressed since having a nice schedule that I actually stick to. Fourth one, business plan. This you need this because you want to see where you're going. Even if it's a page, write it all down. Where do you see yourself going? What is your brand? This is where you define yourself and you have a clear overview of what you want to create out of your side hustle. What do you want to create out of what you're doing as a nail tech? You can also have a look at your finances as well. Write it all down. This is really good, especially starting out and you want to have a business loan in the future. Having a business plan is really important. So having a 1 to 5 year plan, this allows you to make things happen. Basically, having a 1 year plan, within that year, what do you want to achieve? What do you want to do? What do you want for yourself and for your brand? It also gives you an overview of the things that you should be focusing on within the next few months before the year comes, if that makes sense. Training and practice. How are you going to train? Are you watching YouTube videos? That's how I started. Practicing yourself without a teacher. These are the things I'd highly advise that you think about and you take action on, especially early on when you're ready to actually get started and get stuck in. Look for training, do your own training. You don't need someone to help you. People are self-taught. I started at my house. I was just doing nails for any and everybody when I was younger, and I used to do my own nail art. That's the only reason why I got started with nails, because I just love nail art. And the other thing is getting a certificate. That obviously goes in the training and practice. Having a certificate is really important, especially if you want to get insurance. Most, if not all, insurers want to know that you're trained and qualified for nails, basically. Especially with this insurance that I have, they wanted me to show proof of the certificates. So highly advise getting a certificate in that field. Products and equipment, make sure they're high quality and top notch. This is because you don't want anything backfiring, especially with the like acrylics MMA. You don't want to use that on nails. That is a dangerous chemical. Make sure you know the products that you're buying, you know the ingredients in it. Make a list of the ingredients in the products. And also with equipment, please take it from me, get the best out there. It doesn't have to be the best, like, oh, expensive the best, but you want to get the best products and the best equipment. Quality over quantity. I've lost count of the numbers, guys, so I'm just gonna say them. I put them on the screen. Having good money management will save you a lot, because when you start earning over 1k in the UK, you will need to, you know, declare this to HMRC, especially as you're being self-employed. Keep your books updated, because HMRC may want to see them. They might want to see, how did you make 1k? How did you make 2k in the year? Keep your receipts as well, and make sure that you have evidence of everything. So like even bank statements and stuff, like invoices, keep them, especially for, I think it's like 5 years that you have to keep them for, just in case they may ask you for them at any point. And also because it links back to the business plan in your finances and stuff. Other one is marketing and social media. With marketing, you want to know your audience, you want to know your goal of why you're doing ads and stuff like that. How are you going to market yourself? How are you going to market your business? Know it all, write it all down, know which social medias you like. Right now TikTok is at the top of the list, where everyone is going to search for any and everything. This is what my little niece was telling me, and one of my clients also told me she found me through TikTok, and I had no idea. I was literally like, I'm just posting TikTok videos, guys, like, I swear to God. Utilize social media really well. You may not want to be on socials that much, but I can advise you, that's where you're gonna get your clients and you're gonna get out there. You don't have to have all social media platforms. You can have just one that you can update every other day or every other week, but something that gives you social presence is really good, especially in this society. Evolve. And how to do that is by looking at trends and trying them yourself and showing us. When you show that you can actually keep up with a trend, it's really good. It gives the like a client or potential client trust that you are going to give them the best of the best. Like, oh, she's in with this, oh, he's in with this, or they're in with that. They would know, like, okay, I can go to them and ask, like, oh, can you do this? That's trending right now. And then what's your answer? Yep, yes, you can. Keep practicing, and also coming up with new ideas. Try these new ideas and show us. Don't try them and not show us. Try them and show us. Even if it's bad, like, just show us. You will stand out better that way, because people are like, oh, she's always coming up with good ideas. That's what people start to notice as time goes on. Like trying new products, a new way to provide your service. So if you've been doing nails in your house and you find somewhere that you can hire to do them, that is you evolving. You're basically finding somewhere else outside of your home to do nails, and people will see them and they're like, oh wow, she's growing, oh, they're growing, oh, okay. Evolve. So the other one is client relationship. Listen, not every client wants to be your friend. Leave it out. Don't force relationships. With some clients, yeah, with some customers, some people just want to come and do their nails and go home. You don't have to talk to them. Obviously you do, but in sense of keeping the conversation going. Some of them just literally just want a quiet time to do their nails or just be on their phone. So respect that and know that it's not personal. Don't ever take anything personal, especially in this field. Treat them with kindness. Make sure the space that you're inviting them into is clean, it smells nice, it's warm. This creates a sense of professionalism, and it also creates a sense of safe space, especially if this place is in your home. You want to create space where they can come in and it doesn't feel like they're intruding. It just feels like they're actually coming to, oh, I'm coming to get my nails done. Oh, also like check up on them after their appointment, or whether it's 2 days late, or this is what sometimes I do this, where I message my clients thanking them for coming, and also just to check like whether their nails are still good. If they have any reviews, let me know, because I value that more than me thinking like, oh my god, I hope this hasn't happened, I hope that hasn't happened, like, because I know especially starting out, we're overthinkers, right? So do that and keep yourself at peace. Number 12 is be yourself. Being yourself will take you really, really far. This is because you are showing people how authentic you are. Whether you're quiet, whether you're loud, whether you're mellow, it doesn't matter. Just be yourself. Don't feel like you have to have a certain type of personality to be in the nail business. Don't feel like you have to show certain things. If you feel like you actually don't like posting on social media, just post some work and call it a day. Like, you don't actually have to be on there typing and messaging X, Y, and Z. Just show that there's social presence. They can reach you out on that, and then that's it. Like, don't try force things that are not you. People can see that. We can see it. We can see it. If someone's trying to be fair, we can see it. So be yourself and you can do this. If you have any advice for other nail techs, do not be afraid to drop it in the comments. I will try my best to pin it. Thank you so much for watching this far. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like videos like this. I will put out more.